Look at this, he created his channel after 1 month and nowadays he have over 200 million views and over 50,000 subscriber. Exactly like this, today, in this video I am going to tell you how to do this and grow your channel faster. So let's get started. But in this video, we are going to use this trick to grow gaming channel and I am sure if you follow each and every step, you will grow your channel faster than rocket. Step 1. Go to any short video platform like Instagram Reels and Moj and search Free Fire TikTok video. If you have PUBG channel, you can search PUBG TikTok video and download almost 25 best video. Step 2. Go to the YouTube channel and upload 25 shorts video which you download at once. Back to back. And you can't believe, I used this channel to get almost 10,000 views and over 2,000 subscriber by using this trick in just 5 days. Step 3. Repeat this process again and again for 15 days. Boom, after 15 days, you have 50k subscriber and almost 15 million video views. But this trick have flaw, you can't get any result in first 5 days and after 5 days, your channel start flying. After your channel grow, you can delete all short video and start uploading normal video. And you will get views. And if your video is really great, you can get little boost at starting that help you to grow your gaming channel faster. Even after completing YouTube criteria, your channel is successfully monetized and start earning money from YouTube. That's for today and make sure subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.